Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubed. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubed and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically, first of all, we are really sorry for the late video. We are uploading this video after 10 days. So now from today you will find proper and regular content on this channel. So again, it's my request to please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more details. So now let's start the today's video. Basically, in today's video we will tell you about Reface application, how you can swap your faces with another person's face. Basically this website is paid, but I will provide you an information. So first of all, we simply need to open the Google and search here Reface AI. Here we can find the best AI website to swap the faces. So this is basically our main website. Simply need to open this. Improve content creation, we transform complex so now this is our main website of reface.ai. This is paid website. If we purchase its premium version, we can make very beautiful videos. So we can also restyle our old videos into new styles. So this is a best application. So now you can see this. We have an option of swap faces, restyle videos and animate photos. We can also animate our photos. We can also restyle our old videos into new videos, into new styles, and easily we can animate our photos. So make your photos talk and dance. We simply need to drag our photo here. I don't have any picture in my laptop, so that's why I cannot show you the demo. But this website is very important for you if you are a content creator. And now image was processing, then we have multiple styles, multiple options to animate our photo. We have multiple options to options of talking, dancing. So that's why in Reface AI there are many options available for us. But basically there is only 3 days free trial, then we need to purchase its premium version. So that's why I cannot purchase it, but because I didn't need this. Now we simply need to click on Reface, create restyle face swaps. Now we can swap our faces with another person's face, and this application will also make emotions on the swap faces. So that's why this is perfect. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned with us. Also follow us on Facebook. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.